subtracting whole number and mix form. So first, you're going to make the 6 into fraction, which is may mo siya 5 and 4/4. Kaya ang 1 gikuha and make as fraction mo ng 4 over 4, may mo siyang 1. 4/4. Then, you subtract 1 and 2/4. Okay. So, 2 minus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then, copy the denominator, 4. Subtract the whole number. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then, reduce 2/4 into lowest term, which is the least common denominator is 2. So, divide it by 2, both numerator and denominator. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Copy the whole number first. Then, okay, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Final answer is 4 and 1/2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.